Yes, so it's another morning picking tomatoes again. So picking tomatoes again here. You can see there's some lovely juicy tomatoes here. Using the scissors, but the scissors are messing it up, so I'll just pick with my hand instead. There's tomatoes there. There's juicy tomatoes here, under here. Tomatoes here. So that's something. Oh, there, but I'm still picking tomorrow here. Still picking tomorrow here. Oh, so it's a nice one. Under there. Oh, yeah. That's a nice one. Under there. Look at this. Nice tomato. So, more underneath here. Yep, one more. There's one more underneath here. One more. One more. Smaller one. Yeah. Oh, something was eating it. So, picking more tomatoes. There's one more there. For that cucumber. Another tomato in here.